That's not good enough. Okay, let's proceed. They might watch it later. I will just crop the part we started. Let's. So what we are doing today is, today I want all of us to, what we are going to do today is we are going to work together. We are going to do everything together. Are you guys with me? So now what we are going to do today is we are going to do how to use AI to build websites for business owners, for people that want to like do, they have an idea and they don't have that have millions of naira to put it into, to put it out there. They just need something to learn. And what you need to know is that, yeah, they have sites where you can build all these things, but then you need to know how to properly use them. You need to know how to properly use them. So now we are going to do a collaboration for this whole thing. You guys will tell me what you want me to build in the comment section. I will build it and I will tell you guys what you guys need to know about the whole thing. This one is really straightforward. It's very easy to do. That's why I just want to start with it first before we move into the more dynamic part. I don't want to start because we have wasted so much time. I don't want to start, coming to the ones that are more technical. Yeah. So let's start with the ones you guys can actually start doing before we move into the deeper one. So gradually, we move into the deeper one. So you guys that are active, what website do you want us to build today? Do you have any idea in your head? Is there something you want us to build? Maybe you are into puff puff business. You want us to build something on puff puff, or you are into whatever business you are doing. You want us to build it live on this call. We are going to build everything live on this call. So if you have ideas, please let me just have the idea. You guys are just quiet. Please, let's have ideas in the comment section, please, so I can start building the website or the app, whichever one you feel like. So, any idea you have in your head, let's have it in the comments, please. Any idea you have in your head, let's have it, please, so we can start building. Today, we are doing build life. I don't want to. We have wasted so much time. I don't want to just go wine sales. Okay. Oluwashola said wine sales for wine business. Any other idea? Any other website idea you want us to build? I just want us to agree so I can just proceed. Seems like nobody's really active in this comment section. I'll be waiting to happen. What is going on? Is it from my end? Is it from my end? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just 8 participants. Just 8. Shopify website for Airbnb, perfume sales. Okay, I think we should just I think we'll take it one after the other. Hopefully my credits doesn't run out before we start. So we are going with the first person that commented was the first person that commented is Oluwashola wine sales website. So I think I have to pin it, wine sales website. So now for this wine sales website, what is the name? What is the name? What name should we call it? What name should we call it? What name should we call this wine sales? And now for the website, is this something that like you want people to come on the wine website and order the wine, you deliver it to them and stuff like that? Please let's be responsive, please. we are starting with the wine website. You guys can still drop your ideas, but I'm starting with the wine website right now. So if you have the name, what is the name of the wine website? What are we building? Is it a is just a place where you display wine, or where people can actually come and order wine? They just place the order of the kind of wine they want, then they make payment to be delivered to them. So you guys should just let me know so we know the kind of website we are building this evening. Okay, so what name should we call the website? What is the name of the website? Please, let's have the name of the website. I don't want only Oluwashola to be the only one comment. What is the name of this business that we are working on right now? I'm still waiting for you guys, oh. Okay. Wine nests. The business. The business name is. I will paste. I will send the prompt here. So you guys should look out for my message. I will send the prompt. So this prompt, you guys can actually take it, edit it, and into whatever you want to build, and just paste it there. So it will be very responsive. Using Apple design philosophy. Okay, display the wine order and checkout. Actually, no, you are not late. You are still active. We're just starting. Today we are building websites live on the call. Using Apple design philosophy, build me a wine website where people can order wine and have it delivered to them. The business name is Wine Nest. What is the location of the business? Please, what is the location of the business, please? What location should we put the business as? Okay, the business is based in Lagos. Based in Lagos, Nigeria. Lagos, Nigeria. Make this website. Okay. I think I cannot copy. I cannot Control A, Control C. I think I cannot I think I cannot. They did not allow me to add the whole. Did not allow me to add the whole prompt here. So let's just move to the dashboard. This thing. So anytime you want to use you want to build websites using AI, you need to give them this thing. What does it call it? I usually use this using Apple design philosophy, because Apple design philosophy is very smooth. That is why some people come along and say, "Ah, if you don't have knowledge in web development and all those things, you cannot use AI to build website." So since I have the knowledge, it's very easy for me to do. So now using Apple design philosophy, it will make the website very sleek and everything. So now what I said here, using Apple design philosophy, build me a wine website where people can order wine and have it delivered to them. The business name is Wine Nest, and the business is based in Lagos. Make make this sorry, make this website make this website as premium as possible, because it is a wine business, and people spend a lot on wine. When the another thing I have for you guys, anytime you are doing prompts, just just do like you are conversing with like a child, with your friend. Is more advanced to start using technical words and everything right now. You understand? So you need to like start doing it like you are talking to your friend and all those things. So that's what you need to start doing right now. So we have added the prompt already. Let's proceed to build. It's building, so it's going to take a while though. Not a while, it's just going to take like a few minutes. I think my internet is fast, so it's going to take like a few minutes. So while we are building, if you look at this tab, this area, just look at what the AI is going to do. It's going to break down the whole idea. After breaking down the whole idea, it will start building them one after the other. And here you have, even though I've not this account is not on the pro, is not on the pro is not on the pro version yet. So if it's on this pro version, you can connect whatever you need to connect to it. You can do whatever you need to do to it. You can publish it, you know, add.com, buy domains, something that makes it look that premium. This is a wine website, so it has to look premium. So this is what we have here. The AI has started to analyze. It said, I will build Wine Nest, a premium e-commerce experience with Apple level design. Here is the plan. So now this thing is going to first give you the plan of whatever you're going to do. You understand? So this is what it's going to do. You have the home, collection grid, product grid, wine detail, cart, entities, wine catalog, other purchases, and the likes. Now, taste profile, design, warm gallery, ox blood, just like giving you that premium wine, kind of looking website. Now let me start building. It has started. So it has written the entities wine and stuff like that. So it has started. Now, if you are building with this, it generates a random images for you, but I will tell you how to change it. You can either change it through this place, this prompt session, or you edit it directly on the website. But I used to advise people to edit it directly on the website, because when you enter prompt, you tend to use more of your this thing. Use more of your credits, and once you use more of your credits, it's you have to buy another one. So that's just it. So it's still building. It's gonna take a while. Most of the things we are going to build on this place, we are going to use this site. The name of the site is called Base44.com. Even though I've reached out to them to like, tell them about this thing we are doing, so they can like, if they are charging any amount they are charging for this their AI stuff, they need to give us a discount, because we are many. I mean, we're like 3,000. Even though we just have like 100 people here with us, it's not that's not good enough. So It's still loading. It's gonna take a while. It's gonna take a while. I just hope this is not hanging in your end. I'm trying to use my other phone to check it out if it's clear and stuff. Trying to use my phone to check it if it's clear. So everything you build here, build it with credit. That is why you need to write your prompt. I advise most times before you write your prompt, use the notes tab on your phone. The notes this on your phone. Write down the prompt you want to use. Then after that, you can proceed to whatever you can proceed to pasting it on the site, so you don't go and make mistake and start editing and your this thing is going, your credits are going, because everything most of these AI platforms, they charge money. Sorry, I'm not reading your comments because I'm trying to check the whole thing. I'm trying to look for another way to. If you have questions, ask your questions. Ask your questions. If you have questions, ask your questions. You would have reached out to them to tell them about this thing we are doing, so they can if they are charging any amount they are charging for this their AI stuff, they need to give us a discount, because we are many. I mean, we're like 3,000, even though we just have like 100 people here with us. It's not that's not good enough. Akinwale say you have questions. Please, what's your question? Can you please ask the question again? Can you please ask your question again? Even though the playback speed is not smooth, but then Akinwale, please ask your question again. So it's still loading. It's gonna take a while. I just hope this is not hanging in your end. I'm trying to use my other phone to check it out if it's clear and stuff. I'm trying to use my phone to check it. Sorry, my hair like a playback. I was playing it on my other phone to see. I was playing it on my phone to see. My network is smooth, but I don't know why the playback is kind of. Are you guys active? Please answer me. Oh, let me know, so I'll not be the only one talking here. So everything you build here, you build it with credits. That is why you need to write your prompt. So because I'm trying to check the whole thing, I'm trying to look for another way to. Okay, the website is almost ready. The website is ready. So Winenest is live, a premium web e-commerce experience with this build. I'm still going to send you guys the link, so you guys will click the link and just navigate it to your phone and tell me what you guys think. It's still loading, just waiting for it to load. Just waiting for it to load. People are just you guys are just leaving the comments, I just have like 10 people watching this live. That is very bad. Very, very bad and poor. Yes, Olu, actually, you accept. If you have Providus Bank, use Providus Bank to do my own, or you use what do they call it? You use okay. This is what the website looks like. The website is kind of boring to me. Let me view it very well. You see, when you click, you see what it's doing. See what it's doing. These are the prices. These are the prices. These are the prices of the wine. But then it looks so basic. I think let's switch it up. Let's switch it up. So now we're going to work on the logo. The logo looks basic. Basic. Logo look basic. I don't. It look basic. I want. I want it to. The logo looks basic. I want it to look more premium. More premium. Okay, what else can we see on this? I think we should work on this together. I think the white background is, yeah. You did a plain white background. I don't like it. Make it dark themed instead of white, and keep the premium feel. Okay, so let's see what's going to come out. Let's see what's going to come out. Hope you guys are following. I've just edited it. What I did here is, I don't like this wine nest. It just looks basic. You just put wine nest collection. We're still going to check all these things. Then here, explore collection. You can explore the collection. Here, delivery across Lagos 247 anytime. We have which question Akinwale asked where I never answer since. No question I never answer. Akinwale. Akinwale, you have to ask your question again. No. You see, I changed it. I'm still going to send the link to all of you so you guys will check it. I think it's still working on. It was working on this logo right now. Even though this side has become somehow, it's not that visible. This logo, I still don't like it. I still don't like the logo. I still don't like the logo. So these are the wines we'll have. Chateau Margaux Grand Cru. If you have question, ask. Akinwale, I don't know the question you are asking. Can you please ask your question again, please? Okay, everything is still. Even though the champagne, I think my orders is not that clear here, but I think it might be different on the phone. When you scroll down, these are the featured wines. These are the featured wines. If you have question, please ask. Please ask your question. We are still. I just did an edit now. This is edit I did. I will still teach everything, but you guys are not hyping this whole people are not hyping this whole comment up. Please hype the comment up. Let me know that I'm with people. Let me know that it just seems like I'm just talking to myself since. Please. Steven Lawal, this website is, you have not been following, read the comments above. Is a place where you come and order wine. I still don't like this logo, but I'm still going to work on it. But let's check other things. So now, okay, let me view it. This is if you are using your laptop to check. If you are using your laptop to check, this is what you will see. If you are going on your mobile device, this is what you see on your mobile device. When you use your mobile device to do this is what you see. If you have a tablet, this is what you see when you use your tablet to check the website. This is what it looks like. Now, when you use your desktop, let's go back to desktop. Okay, let's try to explore collection and see what they have. You see, okay, these are the collections of wine we have. This AI decrease, so see prices of wine. This is what we have. These are the prices. I think it's limited, but then we can actually add. I think they have one of 1 million. So we can actually add one later when we are ready. You can actually add one. And there's one thing again, it added. When you bring your course on top of it, you see something like taste profile to give you the taste profile of what you want to buy. Not that just a regular wine website, you just go and buy wine. There's a taste profile here. It will tell you what you want, sweetness, acidity, everything. You see this one, it will tell you what you need and stuff like that. Now, let's see, we can actually be big men online. So let's go for the 1 million naira on. Let's add to cart. Okay, it has been added to cart. Now let's go to our cart. This is what we have. Let's proceed to checkout. When we proceed to checkout, they ask you to put your name, your email, Okay. I think you just put random names. And you just do random stuff as gmail.com. Okay. Then we just put random numbers here. Then you continue. Let's continue. Then they'll ask you where you are staying. Then it's Daniel Faith. Yeah, this is actually the first class. This is actually the first class of the whole thing. Now, we ask where you want the thing to be delivered. You have Ikoyi Island, and if you notice, there is a price of the delivery under it. You have Lekki Phase 1, Lekki Phase 2, Banana Island, Ikeja GRA, Aja. Kazim. Yeah, the name of this website is base44.com. Base44.com. Let me type it. Let me type it. Okay. Daniel Faith, I've replied you. This is the first actual training. Others were just introduction. We did not do anything serious in those ones. Those ones were there, but this is the actual training of the stuff. Now, this is what we have. Now, let's say I'm taking this to Yaba. We just put random address 6 road. So if you have any special note you want to put, maybe get gate code or whatever, if you stay in an estate and stuff, then you put it. You continue. Then you do your transfer, whether you want to do it through card payments, bank transfer, pay on delivery. Let's say you want to do bank transfer. Let's continue. Order confirmed. Even though we have not fully integrated the whole thing here. View my order. This is it. It's still pending. It's still pending. So let's exit preview. So what do you guys think about this? Before I send you guys the link, what do you guys think about this? Let me have your thoughts in the comments. Yeah, let's assuming you have Oluwashola. You said you have let's assume you already have the store and the bottles of different wines. Can you include the names, picture? Exactly. Yes, you can. If you want to include the names and picture, you will come here. Once you view here, you see edit. You see the edit section. When you see the edit section, you click the edit. See, I can replace this image. See where they say replace here. I can replace it with the image of, what I have. You understand? I can replace it with the image of what you have in your store. Now, most times what you have in your store, the picture might not be as clean as this. So that's why when you take your picture, you can just take it to AI to just help you beautify it like this. You use Gemini, ChatGPT and stuff to help you beautify it like this. And once it's cool like this, you replace it. You can even change the price. See, you can come here and change the price. You can change the name of the stuff. You can change the name, change the year, and whatever you want to change. You can change basically every write-up. You can change your number, change your email address, change your delivery distance, change where you are delivering to, change your write-up. You can change a lot of things there. You can, besides even change this, anything you want to change, you can change it. You can change anything you want to change here. So that's just it. It's as easy as that. Once you click edit, is this thing. So what do you guys think? Let me have your thoughts in the comment section. We just have like 8 people on this live. 8 out of 3,000 people. That is really poor. That is not encouraging at all. Oh. Not encouraging. If you guys have questions, you guys can ask, please. If you guys have questions, you guys can ask, please. But why is it that I'm hearing all these things from my side really fast and you guys are not? If you guys are not active, just let me know so I can just end the live, please. Because I cannot, take out my time. It's weekend. Can actually just go out, chill, and just have fun and stuff. But I'm here teaching for free. It's not as if maybe anybody's paying me to do this. I'm not being paid. I'm doing everything for free. But I'm not getting response. We just have like 8 people. We don't have like 8 people here. That is not good enough. Zerafin story. Good evening. Nice to have you here. Nice to have you here, Zerafin stories. Okay, no questions. Should I just send you guys the link? So you guys should just click the link and see the websites that we built by ourselves today. Should I send you guys the link? Similar, even 15 people. I'm with my okay, we are 13 now. 13 people watching this live. That is poor now. We have like 3,000 people who registered for this thing. 3,000. So why we have like 13 people? It's not good enough. That's not good enough for real. Okay, let me send the link. Let me send the link to you guys. Let me send the link. No. So maybe they'll watch it after the whole this thing. They'll watch it after. I don't know if they'll allow me to paste link. Or man, not go paste them. Maybe they can't go pursue me. Well, let's try. Is it going to work? Yeah, it worked though. What I've pasted the link. Can you guys see it? I've pinned the link already. So you guys should check it out. You guys should just play around with it and tell me. Yeah, it is good for beginners. Very, very good for beginners. That's why I just want to like start with you today, so you guys can just see what we've been doing. Let me even show you the ones I've done in the past. See, I'm still on the free plan. Let me show you the ones I've done in the past. These are the websites I've built. This one is actually an app. I did it 4 days ago, but I'm not done with it. So look at this. Look at this. It's still loading. It's going to load up. It's still loading. When you click the link, you see that it's showing you base44.com. That is because you have not bought the domain. We are just still using this thing to do. So when you are ready, you can just buy your domain, do your thing and stuff. Then you are good to go. If you click this upgrade now, I will check. We'll see the prices when we are done. So you check the prices, but then don't pay for anything yet until I've gotten a response from them. Let's see. We have like 9 people here live. That's so poor. So poor. So this website now, I built it. I was just you know, I just had an idea in my head. I just put it down for someone that is selling akara. Sorry if I'm not getting you guys' question. This one is okay. Now let me give you guys the difference between this whole thing. Let me give you guys the difference between this whole thing. A moment. Akiwale, I've gotten your question. Yes, so for akara lovers, you can see it. Akiwale, I will answer your question shortly. So I built it. You can see. You can see the website. Breakfast. You buy your akara. Faith, this website, this thing is not only used to create. This AI is not only used for creating websites. We'll build something now. Don't worry. Let me just show you all this first. Then we'll build something real quick before we end the live because it seems like people are not active. So I'll answer before we end the live. Let me pin Akiwale's question down. Let me pin his question. I'm trying to pin Akiwale's question. Let me pin it so I'll answer you guys. There's Akiwale. Yes, let me pin it. Let me pin. Where is pin now? Okay. I just pinned the Akiwale question, so we'll not forget. So I just had that idea to like build this for people that love akara and stuff. So if you just put the menu, go to the menu, you'll see it. In fact, before I even talk about it, let's everybody just drop their questions. Drop your questions. Let me just answer everything. Just drop your questions. Drop your question, guys. Drop your question, guys. We'll start with Akiwale's own. I'm coming, guys. Everybody should drop their question, drop their question, drop their question, so I can answer everything at once before we move. Before I show you what this website can do. I've pasted the prompt from the beginning of this thing. Maybe you came late. Miss Alice, yeah, you can actually check the thing later. Now, Akinwale, back to your question. I hope you are active. That's just the main thing. Let's start Akinwale question. So for Akinwale asks, let me get it. Akinwale asks, people should please tell him to answer my question. Copy and paste this question to him, please. We all need to ask questions. Does Base44 work same as Manus? Now let me now clarify. All these things are like AI websites where you give prompt to like do, whatever you need to do. Now let me give you the differences between all of this, the three of them. Let me give you the differences between them. Now, their primary uses for the three of them now is Base44 is used for building MVPs. You know what MVP is? Most viable product. If I'm right. I think there's someone they asked this question on the Lions or something, and he missed it. Are you guys with me? Please, if you guys are active, you guys should just let me know, please. Please, 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 please. So it's used for building MVPs, minimum viable product, and prototype fast without touching code. So now let's say, Akinwale, you have this idea in your head. You want to build this app. You just wake up one morning, you have this sweet idea in your head. Sweet, beautiful idea. But you don't want to forget it. You just want to do something down. That is what Base44 will do for you. You just go there, just type that idea. Oh, I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to do this. This is my idea. Can you please? Base44 is that place that will help you build that prototype very fast. You understand? Welcome Supreme Man Niger. Akinwale, it will help you build those prototypes fast without even touching a code. Maybe later when you have the premium version, you can do whatever you want to do. Now for Replit, I used to call it an agent. I used to call Replit agent. Now, Replit is for software development, coding, and deploying full stack apps. Are you with me, Akinwale? Please, if you are with me, let me know. Just can you please be active? Thank you. Akinwale. Akinwale. Okay, yeah. Okay, Akinwale is active. Now, that is what Replit is. Now, for Manus is just for a general autonomous tasks, research and browser automation. That is what the whole thing is all about for Manus. Have I answered your question, sir? Please, if you're active, please let me know. Akinwale, oh my god, you guys are not even, nobody's even asking anything. Yes, let me now show you that. Now, I hope I'm not. No, Akinwale, you're not getting. Who is that? Okay, it's not Akinwale that asked. I think it's dripping tennis. Okay. Now let me show you guys how to get a domain. I think we've switched to something else. When you come here, they'll show you their plans. Now, these are their plans. You have the one of $16 per month because I've reached out to them, so I'm waiting for them to give us response so we can proceed. What you can do is unlimited apps, super agent, unlimited collaboration with shared credit. You have this one of $40 per month. Now, what did they do here? Unlimited apps, unlimited collaboration, custom domain. You can get your domain here and be able to deploy. You have built-in integration, we have automation, we have choose your AI model, we have in-app editing, and we have two-way GitHub sync. Then for this one, this is what we have. But then I used to advise people to go for this one, this particular one now. I used to ask people to go for it. I go say we should build full stack. Okay. Before we build a full stack banking app, but then this is your full stack banking app. E dey give some kind things wey these boys dey say make person build, but then Kazim, without AI, you can definitely build your website. Without AI, you can build your website. That is, you have to be good with the code and everything. You have to be good with the code and everything. So now, they say you need to this another thing it does. It creates a super agent. Create sorry. Create an agent that alerts my YouTube. Okay, that alerts my community members. That alert my sorry, I don't know why this is hanging. Alert my community members when I am live on YouTube. Okay. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing right now. So I'm showing you another thing that this thing can do. I'm showing you guys another thing that this thing can do. You can use it to create your site. I'm coming, guys. I will show you everything you need. So you guys don't need to. I just need people to be active. That's just my own. You guys should just be active, and there are a lot of things we can do here. A lot that we can do. There's a lot that we can do here. So I will teach you. Steven Lawal. Yeah, I will teach how to get this things monetized, how to do the necessary things. Yes. Once you buy the domain, you have full access to the website. Even without buying the domain, you have full access to the website, because actually you can actually edit. But the only thing you cannot do now is let me just go back instead. Let me go back. The only thing you cannot do is I'm trying to like open this website. Let me open the Akara own. The only thing you cannot do now is there's a section that the code, where the code is. You cannot copy that code until you cannot copy the code until you have the premium version of it. You see the alert here is almost done. So I think we should just give this one more time, because most people have a lot of questions that we cannot practicalize today. You have a lot of questions. You have dripping. You have one from dripping after buying the domain, and we have one from Steven. So I would like to like show you guys this whole thing. Yeah, Larex, this thing is cool. Lovable is cool, but you cannot compare it to this one. Do you see what this thing is doing? You cannot compare it. This one will give you what you need. You cannot compare it to. You don't have a dashboard for you. It has a dashboard for you, a back end dashboard. This is a dashboard. This is the code. You can click here. This is the code. This is the code. This is the code. This is the code. Why is this thing hanging though? This is the code. So you can decide to copy. You can decide to copy this in anytime you want, but then you cannot copy it now because. So you can decide to copy. Okay, even though you can copy anytime you want, but then you cannot copy it now because. Okay, Kazim, what basis are you talking about? You can actually copy this code, but then you cannot edit it. But you can copy it to another coding this thing to edit. Yeah, I can come back to watch it. This is like how many minutes are we into this life now? Nobody did talk for the comment section. You guys just nobody's talking. Maybe that's how they follow myself, they talk. Seems like nobody is active in the comment section. I think you should just call it a day. So if you have any question, just ask. Then we'll move it to the next training. We'll start with that one first. Yeah, it's almost an hour now. I'll be teaching. I'll be talking for like an hour now, and the cumulative view we have here just like 68. So if you have question, ask question. So we can just call it a day. Then I've taken note of all the questions we have. We have one from Steven. We have one from Dripping Tennyson. We have one from Kazim. Yes. We have from Kazim. So that's it, guys. So we'll see you guys on the next training. See you guys on the next training tomorrow. Hopefully people will be active. That's just it. Hopefully people will be active, because the turn up is not encouraging. It's not even encouraging me to start coming live. I just feel like I should just keep posting my normal video here. Just forget about the live. Yeah, dripping Tennyson. That I showed you the course earlier, so I just have to. Yeah, I will let you know on this Telegram, Steven. Dripping Tennyson. I say you guys should not pay anything yet, because I'm still with their team, still talking with their team on negotiating to give me a very fair price, so you guys can pay something cheaper. So people can rewatch. You can rewatch the video later to see how the whole thing is done. But in the next training, I'm going to break the whole thing down and make everybody understand, because some people don't actually understand it properly. So that's it. We've done 1 hour today of training. Nice to have you guys here. So we'll see you tomorrow, same time. Yeah, that's true. I will create a new WhatsApp group. Or my WhatsApp is hanging. I'll create a Telegram group. So no, I'm not discouraged. Tomorrow is still 5 p.m. Tomorrow, 5 p.m. tomorrow. So okay, dripping tea, no problem. I understand. I'm just trying to be clear.